Starting your own business is an exciting opportunity, but it can also be daunting. You often question whether or not you have the skills to succeed, and if your idea is actually a good one. The truth is that any new enterprise is going to face some challenges, but there are ways to ensure that you are on the right track. When starting a new business, you have to have an idea. The first step is figuring out what your idea is. The easiest way to do this is by asking yourself a few questions. 1. What problem am I solving? 2. What need am I fulfilling? 3. How will my product or service make people's lives easier or better? 4. Does my idea already exist and why should people choose mine? And 5. How much money can I make off this business if it becomes successful? Self-reflection. When you finally have a new business idea, it's important to reflect on what brought you to that point in the first place. Doing some self-reflection may help you get clearer about what you want and what your customers will be. Reflecting on your motivations for starting this business can also help you find energy for the steps ahead. Reality check. It's important to know if your idea is worth pursuing before investing money and time into it. There are plenty of factors to consider, but there are two that may be the most important: the size of the market and how easy it will be to compete. If you are entering an already crowded space, where there are many competitors offering a similar product with a lower price point, then it might not be worth your while. Examining opportunity costs. Opportunity costs are the difference in value between what you give up when you choose something and when you get it in return. A lot of people mistakenly think that opportunity costs will be more on one side than the other. In reality, the cost to not do something can sometimes outweigh a decision to do something. Evaluate the market. After you discover a business idea and have developed it, the next step is to evaluate the market. This can be done by looking at what your competitors are doing and seeing if there is an opening for your idea. It is also important to find out who your target audience will be. You'll want to make sure that you're appealing to their interests as much as possible. Finally, it's important to determine how much money you'll need in order to start a business and keep it running. Write a business plan. To understand your new business idea, you'll want to make a plan. You can do this by making a list of tasks you need to compete for the business. For example, you may need to create a logo and website, generate income, or find people to work with for your company.